See, hello.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you see my screen? Whiteboard.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can see.
So this is, boundary. The light ray is coming like this, and it is going like this. It is going like this. Fine, and the normal is this. This is I. This is R. This medium 1 with refractive index N1, medium 2 with refractive index N2, right? N1 sin I is equal to N2 sin R. Okay, fine. Then you have another definition. What is N1? It is C by V1, right? Do you understand this? Red one? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and what is N2? It is C by V2. So, you can rewrite it. So you can also write this. Okay? You can write like either this or this.
Your voice is very faint.
Very?
Very faint.
I don't understand. Very?
Your voice is very low.
Oh, faint. Voice is faint.
Yeah.
Because I'm a saint. Abhi?
Yeah, it's better.
Okay. So this is your second statement. Okay. First statement was that in incident ray, the normal and the refracted ray lie in the same plane. And the second is that you can write any of the two red boxes. Basically, write the second red box. Okay. Sin I by sin R is N2 by N1 is V1 by V2.
So, but then which triangle are you considering for like sin I and sin R?
You don't need triangles to define sign of angles. Okay. You have learned it using triangles, right?
Yeah.
But you don't need actually triangles to define.
So how do you do it without triangles?
Beta,
Sine
what is sine 30 degree? What is your answer?
sine 30 degree would be 1/2.
बताओ बेटा आंसर बोलो.
1/2.
1/2.
Have you actually
No,
thought?
but what if it's like a not 30 degree or not 60?
See, okay, we'll come to that. But when you answered sine 30 is half, did you actually thought triangle कैसा है उसमें perpendicular opposite by hypotenuse? Did you measure all this?
No, that's a memorized,
Memorized नहीं, derived thing है वो.
derived.
Yes, okay, which you have memorized. Fine. Now you didn't think of the triangle, right? But you told me the value of sine 30 degree anyhow, right? Okay. Same
Yes.
way. So what actually you're doing to derive sine 30, you're actually making a triangle in which one is 90, one is 30, then the third is automatically 60, right? In this triangle, you're measuring x by y, x and by y, and then you're saying x by y value is, you're finding that is half, okay? Fine.
Yes.
You actually make a triangle like this and measure x and measure y and form the ratio x by y, it will come out to be half. Fine. So now ask me, sir, what is sin 53? So I'll say 53 के लिए क्या करना है? एक 90 वो तो रहेगा, ये वाला 53 ये अपने आप how much it will be? Third one
90, 50,
37.
37.
Measure this x, measure y, you do x by y, you'll get the value of sin 53. In fact, sin 53 is 4 by 5. Just from my memory, I'm telling you. Fine?
Sin 53 is 4 by 5.
From my memory, I'm telling you.
53 also.
बेटा 53 ही बोला मैंने, sin 53 is 4 by 5. Okay, but if you ask me, sir, what is sin 50 degree? I'll say I don't know. I don't know the value. You can calculate it using calculator or me actually making a triangle. Fine.
Yes.
So,
but then how do you find sin I?
I is the angle, no? I mean, what I would be some angle. Suppose it is 35 degree. Then are you asking me how to find sin 35 degree?
Yes. Suppose it's not sin 30, sin 60, sin 45, sin 90.
Or are you asking this?
Kind of, yeah.
Or are you asking me, sir, how will you make the triangle and do all that?
I think so, yeah, that was what I was asking.
Do this also, make a triangle and find sin I, or you can just refer to trigonometric tables from ARM calculator and find how much is sin 35 degree. In fact, I also don't know what is sin 35 degree. Fine.
Okay.
But it will be something 0.55. It will be just greater than 0.5 because sin 30 is half. Fine.
No, but suppose we get a sum like this,
What?
then what do we do?
What? I couldn't hear you.
No, suppose we get a sum like this, like sin, like I is given as 35. We don't know the value of sin 35.
Main thing is, they will not ask.
So they won't ask any trigonometry in this chapter.
No. 30, 45, 60 है तो ठीक है. You know the all this, right?
Yeah.
हाँ बस इतना ही पूछा. Fine. Okay. क्या हुआ बेटा? बोल नहीं रहा था कुछ. वीडियो ऑन कर लो बेटा सब.
Got it. Like in this chapter, they won't ask other than 30, 60, and 45.
This particular worksheet is from outside. Okay, it's from US, so they use calculator over there. Okay, that's why they in this they are freely used any sign value they need. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Even ICSE people use calculators. IB people use calculators.
They'll give you some sort of book, right? In the exam sometimes.
Correct. So don't worry about not knowing the value of sin 40 degree. Okay, somehow or other information will be given. Okay, fine. By the way, what you can do is right now you can just if you want to, suppose you want to solve B. Okay, solve B देखते कैसे. ये refractive index 1 है और इसका glass का 1.5 ठीक है, ठीक है, और angle लिख दे 1.5 डिग्री. तो क्या बताया था मैंने? फॉर्मूला n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin R. यहाँ पे ना we will use calculator, okay, because we are here to learn. So 1 sin 32.5 degree is equal to 1.52 sin r, ठीक है? Yes or no?
Yes.
तो लिखो जल्दी से, कैलकुलेटर में जाओ, sin 32.5 डिग्री का वैल्यू निकालो. वैल्यू निकाल के कैलकुलेटर, you can use your mobile calculator, desktop calculator, iPad calculator, whatever. Tell me sin 32.5, calculate, divide by 1.52. Tell me what do you get sin RS?
.35 something.
0.35. Half divided by.
Sir, I got sin r is equal to 0.58 approximately.
Sin r is 0.58.
Yeah.
I don't believe you.
Wait. So it's 1 into sin 32.5.
Yeah.
By 1.52, right?
Yes.
I got sin 32.5.
0.53.
But sir, I'm getting
Sin
sin
32.5 कितना निकला? How much? Tell again. What is the value of sin 32.5?
0.88.
अच्छा, वो तुमने क्या किया है ना, वो
53.
डिग्री में नहीं डाला है. डिग्री में डालो, डिग्री में.
Okay.
डिग्री में डालो.
Degree in the calculator.
Pardon?
I got 0.53 sin 32.5.
Sin 32.5 is not, yeah, it is 0.53, correct. It is 0.5.
And then yes, 0.53. Now
क्या? Now divided by 1.52. Tell me what's the answer?
Divided by
8.53 divided by 1.52. Use a calculator. Tell me the answer.
0.34.
0.34. ठीक है. So sin r is 0.34, correct?
135. Yeah. Yeah, 34.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Use Google or something and see sin inverse calculator. Okay. Sin inverse calculator or arc sine calculator. It will be written sin inverse calculator, sin inverse or arc sine. Okay, arc sine, something like that. Okay. Search for it. Pardon?
What is that?
You search Google, no?
Just
Arc sine.
arc sine.
हाँ.
ARCSIN. Yes.
Sin r कितना आया था? 0.34 आया था ना?
The arc sine of x is defined as the inverse sine function of
ये
x.
निकालो. Sin जब इस तरफ जाएगा ना, it will become sin inverse. Okay. So you have to find sin inverse of 0.34. निकालो कितना आएगा?
Sin inverse of 0.4.
.005 something. Sin inverse is sin to the power -1, right?
No, it is not sin to the power -1.
So it says angle in degrees is 19.87.
What 19.87?
19.87 something, yes.
19.7 right? हाँ, तो इसमें ग्लास के साथ एंगल होगा 19.87.
So they are allowed to write. They are allowed to use this arc
So you
sine
are not.
calculator.
All this will not happen in your grade, okay?
But how will they
यार बोला ना तुमको एंगल 32.5 नहीं देंगे, तुमको एंगल 30 डिग्री देंगे. Fine. They will, you know, at every step they will keep in mind that you get a value which you already know. For example, ये तुमको 30 डिग्री दे दिया, तो ये पे ये कितना हो गया, you know, air is 1 और दूसरा ग्लास दूसरा मीडियम देंगे 1 sin 30 is half, right?
Yeah.
ठीक है, फिर वो बोलेंगे इसको ग्लास का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऐसे देंगे, सपोज 1/√2 ऐसा दे दिया, तो इसमें क्या होगा, यहाँ पे 1/√2 एंड देन यू विल से sin r, राइट?
Yes.
अभी क्या होगा, you will next step what you will do, you take √2 that side, it becomes 1/√2 is sin r. Yes or no? Now you tell me how much is r, you know this value 1/√2, which sign is 1/√2?
But so how is 1/√2?
45.
45. So r is 45. So you'll always get a value, those numerical values which you already know. Fine. This will be given in your exam if it is given, okay?
So how is one? It will be half into 1/√2.
बेटा फिर से देखो, कौन से ये वाला इक्वेशन में तुम बोल रहे हो क्या? तो बेटा ये वाला इक्वेशन, ये इक्वेशन तो सही लिखी है कि नहीं?
Yes.
अब ये
So
नेक्स्ट स्टेप में ये √2 ऊपर जाएगा अगर, तो ये क्या बनेगा, √2/2 ना? What is √2/2? It is 1/√2.
Okay.
Big brain time.
So what was the question for this?
The question is that this refractive index is 1. This is 1/√2. This is 30 degree. What is the
Refractive angle.
the angle of refraction here? This will be given in exam. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can write this question instead of 32 wala.
Yeah.
Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, see, I'll stop. I'm stopping the class. Okay. By the way, you do one more question and then I'll stop the class. So, what to do is you have to see you can see the screen.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now calculate everything. Now you have to find the angle, measure it using protractor. do all the math which we did and then find what, tell me what is R. Okay. Fine, everyone. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Tell
yes.
me. Tell me.